In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passkey for your Amazon Secure account. This process not only enhances the security of your account, but also simplifies the login process. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, we need to open a web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once there, locate the sign-in option, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials, including your email or phone number and your password. If you're prompted for two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that as well. This ensures that you are logged into Amazon securely. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account section. You can usually find this in the menu where your name is displayed, or sometimes it's just labeled as Account. Click on it to access a range of account management options. Next, you'll want to look for and click on Login and Security. It may require you to verify your identity again by entering your password or going through an additional authentication step. This is an important measure by Amazon to protect your account settings and personal information. After successfully accessing the login and security settings, look for an option that says Set Up under the Passkey section. If you haven't yet set up a passkey before, this option should be readily available. Click on Set Up to begin the process. Now you'll see a screen prompting you to continue setting up your passkey by clicking on the highlighted option. This highlight guides you to the next step, ensuring you know exactly what to do. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Once you're on the passkey creation page, you will see an option to create your passkey. Click on this, as this step is crucial in generating the passkey that will act as both a strong security measure and a convenient way to log into your account from now on. At this stage, you'll be asked to type in your recovery PIN. This PIN serves as a backup in case you need to recover your account or access your passkey information at a later date. Make sure you input your PIN carefully and that it's something secure you can remember. And there you have it. You've successfully created a passkey for your Amazon account. This new feature should make signing into your account both more secure and more efficient. Remember to store your recovery PIN in a safe place and consider sharing this tutorial with anyone who might benefit from enhanced account security on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.